That is what it looks like when you look. Have my lip down. Here. That's how easy it is to get them on there. I don't know why he does this. Guess it's something to break him. See if I can do this. There we go. That's how easy it is. That was good. Good job.